Hello class 7. Today in this video I am going to start a new chapter from your English Rapid. Now as you know that we have completed up to chapter number 6 and so in this video I will be starting with chapter number 7. So the name of this chapter, that means chapter number 7, is Too Expensive. If you have the book, so please take it out and turn to page number 27. There you will get this chapter. Before starting the class, I would like to say about the previous video what we have learned there. We have learned that Michael Henchard, who became the mayor of Castro Beach, he got one note from a stranger. Not directly, that means the stranger did not give that note directly to Michael Henchard. He wrote something on a paper and he gave it to the waiter, and the waiter gave it to Michael Henchard. When Michael Henchard got the note, he became very much worried. It's not very worried, he actually started thinking from that point of time. So on the other hand, we saw that that two women, that means Elizabeth Jane and Susan, they were searching for an inn. Okay, and they got informed that there was an inn which was not very much what to say, very much posh and very much fashionable. But it was also at the same time it's okay and it is cheap also. So they went to that hotel, and eventually the stranger also went to that same hotel, and Michael Henchard also went to that same hotel. So four of them, that means till now we have got this characters in this novel. So all the four characters went to that four hotels. All these four characters went to that same hotel. Okay, and the name of this hotel was Three Marylands. So now I am going to start with the new chapter. They had stood outside trying to gauge if they could afford even this humble place. So who were they here? They means here, that means mother and daughter duo. Elizabeth Jane and Susan, they were outside the hotel and they were trying to understand that whether they could able to enter into the hotel. That means enter means they could afford the hotel or not. They met Stanage, the landlord. His observant wife sat at the bar and picked up all the details about their customers. So when they entered into the hotel, they got they noticed that their landlord, the name of the landlord was Mr. Stanage, and Stanage was also having his wife, and his wife was very much observant. Observant means a person who had a very keen eye. Okay, who has a very keen eye upon everything. So the lady was also like that. She was actually looking after everyone, and he got information, he gathered information about all her customers. The two women were shown a small bedroom under one of the gables. So the two women, that means two women entered into the hotel and they were shown a small kind of bedroom, and it was in the gables. Gables means it's actually a triangular shape of that place where you can make one room, and that room is called gable. Okay. The inn did not look posh, nor was it built or maintained very well, but it made up by offering customers clean linen. So what happened? The inn means here, that means the hotel, it did not look very posh, it did not look very fashionable. Neither it was maintained very much, but that means the landlord made a trick. He actually put the beautiful linen decorative bed sheets over the beds, and when the customers came into that room, he or she might be very much influenced by that beautiful bed covers. Okay, so The same thing happened to Elizabeth and Susan also. The room was not, the inn was not very maintained, and it was not very fashionable, though with the help of these beautiful bed covers, the landlord attracted the customers. Susan was so impressed that she was most intimidated by the linen and feared they could not afford such a room. What happened? Susan was so much impressed by the beautiful linen cloth, the linen bed sheet. Okay, and she was very much in that means dilemma. Intermediate means she was having the fear that whether they could able to afford the room or not. But she was thinking that it was very nice room, it was very nice, bed sheets were also there, so definitely it would be very much costly. Okay, so that was the thing of Suzanne. And Suzanne said they could not declare they knew Henchard. They could not declare they knew Henchard means Suzanne told her daughter also that they will not reveal that they knew Michael Henchard, because Michael Henchard was so respected, and so he was very much famous and respected by the people of Castor Beach. So Suzanne declared that she would not reveal that she was known to Michael Henchard. Okay. Elizabeth Jane had a plan. She went upstairs to the bar and spoke to the landlady. So Elizabeth Jane, that means the daughter of Suzanne, what did she do? She had a plan, she devised a plan, and she went to the upstairs and she spoke to the landlady. She offered to work at the inn to compensate for the charges. She was a little surprised since such deals were struck only in village inns, seldom in Castor Beach. What happened? So Elizabeth Jane was very intelligent, and she devised a plan for taking shelter over there, because they did not have too much money. Okay, so somehow they had to stay there, and her mother liked the place very much, so she made a plan. She went upstairs, she talked to the lady, that means landlady. What did she made a plan? She told that she would compensate by working, okay, by working in the inn. That means maybe they would not able to give the proper amount of money for the inn, but they would compensate by the work. Okay, and by hearing that, the landlady was very much what to say, she was surprised, she was astonished, because this kind of deals were not happened in the villages, were not happened in the not villages, not in the towns generally. Seldom in Castor Beach, but not always. This type of things happen in villages only. Okay, so that means the landlady was very much surprised by hearing this idea. The woman agreed. So the woman agreed means here, that means the landlady agreed to that proposal. So Elizabeth began to help out, even fetching her mother's meal. So Elizabeth began to help out, even fetching her mother's meal. That means Elizabeth started working there, and she just took she took food for her mother also. Okay.